Hello and welcome back. We're now going to look at materials and assemblies from a maintenance perspective and customize a few important functions. The first function that we need to customize is the material type. The customizing path is SPRO, then to logistics, material master, then to basic settings, material types, and finally to define attributes of material types. Here's a list of material types that are already in the system. We can create a new entry by going to new entries, or we can copy from one of the existing material types. So we can highlight waste and then go to copy as, and now we can populate the fields on this screen here. We need to enter our new material type and then the description, and this field here controls the fields to be maintained for the material type. This one controls the screens for the material type. Explant material status defines whether an initial screen is to be proposed for this material type. And here's a list of some status that we have. We can select for that particular field. We can select or we can check the appropriate or the relevant boxes here if we have special material types. And then for user departments, we are able to define which departments can maintain material master. For internal and external purchases, we have three choices. We have 0, which is no external purchase orders are allowed. Then we have 1, where external purchase orders are allowed but warning issued. And then a 2, where external purchase orders are allowed. So we can go ahead and make our selection there. So the next thing is valuation, where we have price control, and we need to define the price control to be proposed. It's either going to be standard price or moving average, and we can make our selection there. The account category reference or accounting category reference, we usually get this number from accounting. And then we have a checkbox here. We check this box if we do not want our price control to be changed in material master. In the next screen, we are going to see how we populate the quantity stroke valuation updating. So I'm not going to save any of the changes that we have made here. So I'll go to cancel. Then I say yes. And then I'm back to our original screen here. So I'm going to make a selection to highlight waste, and then go to quantity stroke value updating and see how we make our updates for quantities and value. So we need to make sure that for our quantity to be updated, then we need these boxes or these checkboxes to be checked. And then the same for value updating. So that is how we customize material type. In the next video, we are going to see how we customize the material master. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.